Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable low power mode on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to settings and after that, go to battery. And in battery, as you can see, you will have here all the options. And the last option that you can see is low power mode. So if you want to activate it, just click on it. And as you can see now, your phone will be on low power mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you.